This video is brought to you by Osmocote, the Planters plant food.
Hi, I'm Marianne Binetti, and today I'm going to show you how to divide your yucca, or Adam's needle plant. Now, yuccas are low water use plants. I like to use them in container gardens because they use so little water. And when you look for one, I found this one. They call it Adam's needle yucca. And there's two plants in here. So I looked at one of these on purpose because I wanted two for the price of one. They're simple to divide. You simply turn the plant upside down. I usually bang the pot on the edge of a table. It slides right out. Ooh, look at those roots. Those are great. Now, you simply take a knife, separate, kind of like finding them apart in a hair, separate the two plants. Often, you don't even have to use a knife. They just come apart so... Oop, there they go. Cut a little bit. Okay, so now I've got two separate plants. This bigger one is going in a big pot. This one I'm potting up in a smaller container. You're going to see what I'm going to do with this in another YouTube segment. But before I put it in, I'm going to give it just a little bit of slow release plant food. Now this is Osmocote. Usually you use a pot this size, maybe half a teaspoon. I'm going to use 1/4 of a teaspoon because sedums and succulents are not heavy feeders. I work that into the soil. This is a quick draining potting soil. And now I just readjust these. Don't worry, we cut off some roots. Don't worry about that. It'll grow new roots. Now I'm not going to push the soil down. I'm just going to loosely cover it. And then here's the fun part. It's really fun to go look for beautiful rock, put around your sedums and succulents and these because I chose turquoise rock to kind of match the turquoise color. And now I've got a free yucca plant that is going to overwinter. It survives in very cold temperatures. And catch my next video to see what I do with it. It's been Marianne Binetti with easy answers for great gardens.
If you enjoyed these gardening tips, subscribe to our channel so you can get updates on new videos and stay in the know about all things gardening. Click the red subscribe button below. See the description below for more information about how to connect with us on PlantersPlace.com, Facebook, and Instagram.